Hi everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1964 C10 truck. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with the late model block, one piece rear main seal, 4-bolt main block, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft. We have the edelbrock American made aluminum heads. These real nice Taylor ignition wires. All the wire markers are on there, American made. We have the proper oil pan for the C10 truck. Brass freeze plugs. We have these real nice powder coated Chevrolet valve covers with a matching breather. And the matching script Chevrolet air cleaner with a washable element. Aluminum intake manifold, proper thermostat housings on there, thermostats in there. Quick fuel carburetor. Throttle return springs on there and bracket, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor. It's real important for the C10 truck, clears the firewall. That's set in place. We put the manifold vacuum lines on there. All the fuel lines are ran, heavy duty Russell fuel line and filter. All the fittings are all set in place. High flow fuel pump, chrome dipstick and tube, high torque mini starter, proper flex plate for the customer C10. Tooth count and balance. We have this real nice black serpentine Raptor pulley kit. This is the heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt. Self-tensioning belt tensioner. That'll keep the belt at the proper tension always. The AC compressors on there. Water pumps on there. Reverse rotation water pump. 160 amp alternator, 1-wire hookup. GM Saginaw power steering pump. Real easy to hook up, pressure line and return right there. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. Every engine is live run for over an hour. All the settings will be all set. Carburetor's adjusted. Distributor timing's all set, ready to go, fully tested. Again, you'll get the video, oil pressure, cold and hot, manifold vacuum readings, water temperature, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So there you have it. This is our 350 Chevrolet 375 horse turnkey package. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.